Okay, I'm going to make a quick video of the finished circuitry for the robot project that I'm building. The robot project basically consists of a remote controlled work cart that also has a modular dump function bucket that can be taken on and off. That represents the the bucket, let's say. I got something cool lined up for that. Um, so anyway, these two 350 watt DC motors, one, two. It'll have a 24-volt system. I only have one 12-volt battery hooked up currently. Like I said, it is all remote controlled. And inside that gray box is the brains of the operation, the motor drivers, and receivers and things like that for all this to work. Show you that inside when I'm done with this little part. I've built all this myself, or I should say I have assembled all this myself. And you would think that Johnny's made a remote control car. I wish it was that easy. When you start dealing with this kind of voltage and these types of motors, you don't just go down to your hobby store and say, hey, let me get a receiver and a remote control, and I'm just going to put this crazy contraption together. It's just not as easy as it sounds. So anyway, I'll run you through it. So anyway, transmitter. Okay, and this obviously, you know what this does. I have an emergency stop button on here, just in case for whatever weird reason there was some issue. The operator will be able to quickly kill all power to this unit. Also, on the remote, I will install a fail-safe that will shut everything down if the remote loses connectivity with the motorized cart. We don't have a name for this thing yet. I don't have a name for this yet, so those kind of things reveal themselves. The Death Cart 10,000 or something, I don't know, something catchy like that. So anyway, I'll take you through it. So motors. I have the ability to go forwards and reverse. This will come in handy for turning functions. The cart design I'm putting together, I believe I'm going to use like a tank style steering. So turn one side and one side reverse. You can kind of have tank steering. So anyway, so that's that. And here's a really cool function. You know, I said it was a dump. It's going to be have a modular dump function, right? So a bucket, you can take it on and off if you needed to move material. Well, check this out. So you hit this button right here. Watch this. Boom. Electronic release for the dump function. How cool is that? Boom. So I had that little model made so I could demonstrate the release mechanism for the catch that would dump the wheelbarrow. So there you go. Sumo Artworks, original, not original. I completely stole this idea from somebody else. However, they didn't build this damn thing for me. I had to do that part myself. And that's easier said than done. What? Emergency? Shut it all down. So, lots of potential here for upgrades in this system. I could put a camera on this. You can drive the whole thing remotely using a pair of first-person view drone goggles, something like that. That's completely possible. Wouldn't be very hard either. That would be easy compared to this whole part. Show you right quick the circuitry and see what I was dealing with here. Let's connect this one servo. Might make it a little bit easier to show, but hopefully you can see in there. Go handheld, chase. So this is all the goodies. So I put all this together. So this is a giant motor driver. This is what allows you to connect to a remote control transmitter like this. Can't just buy that at hobby store. It's a special thing. It's your receiver. This is a converter that steps this power of 24 volts down to 5 volts to can operate this this receiver. And yeah, lots of room for cool things. Now I'm in the process of making the framework for the cart itself, which any other day of the freaking week I see 20 freaking carts in the garbage, some stuff that I could use, and now that I'm looking I can't find shit. Anyway, check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Dun, 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 dun. Boom, baby. All right, y'all. Stay tuned when I have this whole thing assembled onto a cart. It should be pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.